Hey y'all, what is up everybody? I'm back to do a quick update and more pre-orders at CPA. Another one just popped up, but unfortunately you got until March 3rd. This is for the Kimberly Beck pre-order signing. And folks, you have until March 3rd and you got 11 days, y'all. Oh yeah, I'll make that about oh my god, you better just get it while you can, y'all. So to see this, here are 8x10s. All right, that's gonna be about 40 bucks. You got from the scenes from the final chapter. She didn't do much after that, I believe. I don't know, I should have put more stuff of her in other projects, but she's best known for the role of Trisha Jarvis from Friday the 13th, the final chapter. So here are your choices and how do you want it signed and such. All right, that's 8x10 is 40 bucks, 11x14, 45 bucks, $55 for the final chapter posters, 12x14, $55. So yeah, you're gonna get good prices on that. So anyways, y'all, link is in the description box down below. So anyways, y'all, this is Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Catch you on the next vid.